Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this quick troubleshooting tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a not so common but rather annoying issue in Lightroom, and that's ghosting. So you can see here we've got lots of masks, and what we're going to want to do is remove this lady from the background. So we've already edited the whole image using the Harmony Newborn presets. I've gone onto the Remove tool and I'm just going to brush this over using Generative AI, make the brush a little smaller. And let's just select this one. It's good to select any shadows as well when removing, so Adobe knows what you want to remove. And that area there, I'm just going to remove these little place markers. Beautiful image here, by the way, by Anna Brandt. Oh, let's just click that one in. And now what I'm going to do is use Remove. In theory, this should work beautifully. It's a nice, easy, seamless background. And I'm just going to remove this lady. I still feel that using it manually like this and brushing on is a little better, a little more tailored than Lightroom's Remove People. So it has worked, but you can see we're left with this kind of weird looking area. And you can go through different generations, different AI gens there, but you can see we're still left with this strange area, and that's not the Remove tool, it's actually the masks. So you can see here any masks that included people would have selected that woman too. And now Lightroom doesn't know what to do with these masks. You can see her there. I don't know if you can see closely on the black masks, you can see the white area. So you can turn the mask like I just did on and off to find the offending mask. In my case, it's light and background. I'm gonna add to this mask because it's white. White means add, black means show. So I've clicked add a brush. And I'm just going to brush to add more to the mask. She was in black on the mask, so I'm just washing over with white to remove that strange glitchy area. Lightroom does get it white sometimes, but if you do have some ghosting after doing this, that's how to fix it. Open the mask, find the offending mask, and now you can see before and after we have removed the person after editing. To make it even easier, remove big distractions first in Lightroom. I wouldn't normally recommend this. You can also crop them out, of course. But that was a really great example to show you, so don't freak out if you get any ghosting in your Lightroom image. It'll be a mask that's got a little bit of ghost left over. You just need to do some manual brushing and tweaking to that mask, and everything will work just great. I hope this helps. I'm using the LSP Newborn Harmony Presets Pro. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.